Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update and install drivers on this laptop. So the most essential thing that you have to do is to open your start menu, then go to settings, and then go to Windows Update at the very bottom of the settings list, and click download and install all if you haven't done this already, in order to install the very essential drivers and updates for your device. Also go to advanced options, open optional updates, then go to driver updates and hit the checkbox next to each driver update you have there, and click download and install. If some updates don't install even after you retry them, don't worry, that probably means that they will only be installed once all the other updates are complete. And if you want to download all the drivers on your PC, then you have to open the web browser and search for the HONOR PC Manager. Now on the first page search, the first search result will be PC Manager and System Driver Download. So open it. It's an official honor.com website, and here you're gonna have to select the product type, which is laptop, the product series, which is MagicBook X, and the device model, which is MagicBook X16, either 2022 or 2024. It's 2022 for me. So click search once you select your model, and here you're gonna have two download options. You select the one on the top. At the top it's the latest version. You can compare them by the numbers you can see right here. So just click right here to start downloading the installation file or installation zip file, and once it's downloaded on your PC, go to your downloads folder, open this file, and now open software, open the following zip file inside a zip file, and then start this setup process. It's pretty plain and simple. You just have to wait until the application is fully installed on your PC. Now maybe let me start it with you so I can show you what it looks like. I don't want to do this since I already have this application installed on my PC. Click yes, and then all you have to do is wait for the application to be installed. But in my case it's already installed on my PC, so I'm gonna cancel this. And once you install the application, just agree to everything, to enter the main page, and then let me open this application for you. It will look somewhat like this. And now if you want to find the drivers that you're lacking, click full scan and wait until your device is fully scanned. So once your device is fully scanned, it's gonna this application will also automatically find the outdated drivers on your laptop. So wait for a while. And as you can see, I have two drivers to update. In order to do this, click optimize, and then wait for a while. And the application will complete the download and installation process itself. All you have to do is click done, and then all your drivers are updated. Now let's go to Windows and Update, And as you can see, some of the updates were not able to install, but I'm gonna be able to do to install them after I restart my PC. So as you can see, the restart is required in order to complete the update. So select restart now here and just wait until your device is restarted. And once your device is restarted, the drivers will be updated. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.